Here we have an Olympia typewriter, 1959. This is a script typewriter, or you can call it a cursive. It has a paper support. It has the advanced tab feature where you can set the tabs right here off the space bars. It also has a clear all tab lever here. Set the margins here, and I've cleaned it up. There's a couple little blue spots here that are just permanent part of the typewriter now. It has the selector. It has black and stencil. There is no red selection. So when you've typed enough on the top part of the ribbon, then you can't flip over the ribbon and catch the other side of the ribbon. So, but it's a all black ribbon. It's a new black ribbon. Plus you get another new ribbon, and plus you get this cleaning kit with this soft rag. So, and there's a setting in here for heavy to light touch, and you always need to snap give your keys a little bit of a snap. In fact, this SM3 and 4 model actually have like a little spring in there that kind of levels out the keys and everything. It's kind of interesting. Has a very nice cursive font, and this is very clean typewriter. Cleaned it all up. Bottom's nice and clean. This typewriter's ready to do some real work. Olympia typewriters are very nice. They were just built so well. And here it is, you know, some 50 years later. It's a very nice typewriter. I'm going to be listing on eBay. Thank you for watching this video.